Hey Spicer fans, Zach Heisey here at the Dana Garage. Today we're going to talk to you about some of the useful calculators that Dana has on its websites, danaaftermarket.com and spicerparts.com. The next calculator we're going to discuss allows you to convert cubic inches into liters of displacement when we're talking about the size of an engine. So if we want to talk about this Jeep right here, we'll open up the calculator. So we're going to go to the calculators page and go into the cubic inches to liters calculator. And we know the number of liters that we have. We want to know how many cubic inches it is. So we have a 3.6 liter engine. It's about 220 cubic inches. But if we know if we have a 5.7 liter engine, we know that that's almost 350 cubic inches. But if it's the other way around, if we know the cubic inches, say if we have 360 inches of AMC Fury, we know that that's 5.9 liters. Or if we want a more modern engine, we can go back to liters and say a 6.4 liter engine is about 390 cubic inches.